Hi everyone, Agnes here, and a quick YouTube to let you know about the huge cleanup effort to get the plastic out of the oceans by Team Seas. Now, they are setting a massive target of 30 million pounds, and they have already raised 15, which is incredible, using YouTubers like us to let you know about it. Now, for every dollar that's raised, 1 pound of trash, garbage, rubbish, whatever word you use in your country, is being removed from the oceans, the seas, and the rivers. Now, they've used already trash-eating robots in the Dominican Republic, and it has had a massive impact. This is going on 24/7. 365 days a year, so it's absolutely amazing, and I want to support this. So for those of you that also are big fans of the ocean, the rivers and the seas, I will put the information down below so you can go and help. And fantastic effort, Team Seas. I am just so proud to be a part of this, and so blown away by what you have done to really help not only this generation, but the generations that follow. Lots of love, and I'll see you in the next YouTube, everyone.